In this video, we're going to show you how to install the shocks on your Volvo XC60 located behind your rear wheels. Using a 19mm socket, go ahead and loosen and remove the lug studs. Go ahead and grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Go ahead and locate your rear shock underneath the vehicle. It's just in front of the lower control arm. We're going to use our 18mm socket and our breaker bar. I'm going to go ahead and break this bolt free first. I'm going to spray the threads down with some rust penetrant, and hopefully that'll help lube this up. Now we remove these bolts. Depending on what kind of condition your bolts are in, I loosen it and go back and forth, and then I'll continue that process, working this bolt out slowly, or at least until the bolt starts to loosen up a little bit more, and then we'll put our impact gun on there. Now from inside the wheel well area, your shock is going to come up and go right to this mount, attaching it to the body. There are two 10mm bolts going up and in. We're going to use our ratchet and our socket. You want to go ahead and make sure that those bolts are nice and clean. Make sure that socket is on there, and you want to be careful with these. You're going to make sure that they don't snap off. We got that one loose. We're going to transition over to our other one here. You want to hold on to these bolts. We'll be reusing these. And then go ahead and pull that shock up and out. Let's go ahead and swap over our shock mount here. On the top is a 13mm nut. I'm going to go ahead and put our impact gun on there and remove that. Go ahead and slide this off. You're going to flip your shock, compress it, remove your band and the cap. Go ahead and remove the sleeve. Swap that over. Take one of the new supplied nuts here, and let's snug that down. Go ahead and feed your shock down into place. Now we did apply some anti-seize compound to the threads here. I'm going to go ahead and get this bolt started. Let's go ahead and snug down these bolts. Torque down these bolts to 22 foot-pounds. Just gonna bring your shock around. Get our bolt lined up. We did apply some anti-seize compound to the threads on there. Once you have that bolt started, we want to go ahead and snug that down. The torque spec on our particular model vehicle, which is the non-Nevomat suspension, this is going to be torqued to 160 foot-pounds. Before we install our wheel, go ahead and grab one of the lug studs, and I like to get it ready inside one of my sockets here. I'm just going to set that to the side. I'm going to set this up so that the top stud is right in the center at 12 o'clock. Grab that wheel, line that up. Now I'm supporting it with my leg. Go ahead and grab that stud. I want to go ahead and get that top one started. Once you have that top center one started, that'll hold it in place. And then go ahead and repeat this process for the other studs. Let's go ahead and snug these down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 103 foot-pounds. When doing this here, we prefer to do it in a crisscross or star pattern. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.